plenty cream for social media. They do adverts. Presenters, they do adverts. When I go run, when I want to go buy. When I can't listen to waiting me do talk. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, may you go subscribe so that you go to hear many Ogboge news where they come out for year. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video when I want to show now, so now about bleaching people where they use different I want to use organic skin care. I want to use organic this. I want to use organic that. More na come here wetin Mary do talk about bleaching. If they advise a no-gay, say make it stop to the bleach. Say that thunder skin care, I don't know. Say the girl of a contact her before, and in Mary do so I know say she not the bleach. So she come to say no, she not go free do that advert because she not they use cream. More na come listen to wetin he talk now. Some say I mean, I don't understand. Some people when they do this advert for them, they know they use the cream. Some of them know they use the cream. That's just the truth of the matter. Some of them know they use them, but they do the advert because the person don't give them money. But they take do them. You understand? More na not mind them more. If you they use your own cream before more na continue. If you be black person, use the one where go they make your black they shine. Not find it and not use any bleaching. Not use. Because if you go carry all those chemicals when you don't know how they take miss some, you go carry and go put for body, now you know your body will come turn white and black. Now you yourself, you go hate yourself. I want to know about this bleaching. Now see the other woman now. No one mention that one name where they lele, where people's full her face. Well, I say she know they feel carry her face like that. Say she want to do this thing now, or she go use beauty can because it don't spoil the face with bleaching. She don't overuse them. That bleaching don't cause many things for her body. See pimples, see everything. Now only when they use makeup, like they fine. If you don't use makeup, if you look her, you go run. She don't spoil her body. So bleaching no good. When I stop to the bleach, you not go here. Bleaching they cause cancer for body. Bleaching they cause different things for body. Bleaching. Una go just carry the and people when they bleach too much. If you near the way it worry them, the kind smell when they come out for their body, you go run. You would not feel yellow before. What you concern bleaching? You would not feel yellow. You don't feel get natural yellow. Why you bleach again? What will come make you the bleach? When you say your color they okay? Eh? Wanna stop bleaching? Bleaching is not good. It's very bad, my darling people. More than listen to what Mary do stuff for this video. Thank you. Bye.
You have a if talk now, you come to the verse. You go say Mary does, what I do you? You not do me anything. This thing where I want to tell you so. If you take and go help you. True to God. You see that cream where they use? It's not good for your body. Sorry. That cream where they use, it's not good. It's not good though. You can't be like cartoon. Me, what again? No give. Say no give one na. Oh no, even I don't get that. Na carve like Gavin na carve like no. You salu. No give one na. I don't know that na. Not use the cream again. See, as I talk now. You go say, hi. What did she talk? What they worry me those? Make she face her hair. I don't face my hair. But my hair no one face me. I don't know why the hair no one face me. I must come up for her face another. I don't know why. Sorry. Your face it can't be like cartoon. You see that organic cream where they advertise? Tell her what you told ya. Now no say I call that girl. Tell her and say, this your cream where you they say, make I help you. They do advert. You understand me? Now know the way I want be wanted one. If I help and they do advert, I go to use my cream. Me go the advertise now for people say, now the cream is this. Very those. Ah wow, I give me my cream ni give me. When I come there 60 or 50 years, I come be like Coke and Fanta. If me ate why, if me ate and rage. Now there Tondia come say, for what? You know, go use expression here. You never ever use the expression take place here before. Tell us say you want to put expression weak for her. You know we just one put two. Now every start but no verse. She said she be Christian. Now she me I be one helper to the because people want bleach. Me for say na me they use. So they will come. Now some person wey get sense have to do. Now they understand me. And no gay, you don't do like that. If na Meriados now, I get sense. If they give me organic cream, say make I be ambassador. I will say okay. I not go use that cream. Oh, I dey fear. My skin go spoil. I no use. I go they use the normal cream where they use they go. I they say now they use it. But no gay, you just use that woman, that girl cream. Later, one of the skinny way. Go and write it down. One no ladian. Different thing. Baba, not be now. Not be now. 5 years. 5 years. Go and write it down. Write it in your diary. 5 years, I give you. You go see the kind parapata ringworm where go they come out for your body. Believe me, that cream not use again. Just they tell them say now you they use the cream where you they use for inside as me they don't know ga. I get one girl will be one give me organic cream. You get one girl will be one give me organic cream make I for advertiser. Now since the skin man now we what now we no need what me Meriados. Awa. Oh, I go marry a cag, me, when black people ya then. Okay, come over here, woo. Even the black, who is black? Black animals. Hey, don't use it to. Hey! Tondia. Oh, she been a me call you call it talk to me anyhow. I'm gonna catch you now. I'm gonna catch you. Oh, she been say. Nobody fit that to you. Nobody fit that to you anyhow. Me not that zero. Not going about when I say where I can't say Tondia. Me will do like this. I just had the expression for me. Make me advertise organic for you. He say, no. He got the ambassador already. I say, what we gonna know? What if the ambassador? I don't say, what if the ambassador? Wow, ambassador. Abasa, zo. Let me talk. I was a boy, but not one. I was belly nyame. Oh no, I belly told you. Oh no, I belly, but not one. Imagine a piece of them here. Now it's not Africa. Yeah, we may always advertise the do. Expression, maybe our organic, tondia, organic. Eri me tell me here, una they understand. Ona wa gbe ma party. Or when you try so near me I not try mention tondia skaniski ke. That be this so. Igba party. She say she not go feel weird expression her. I can't say okay. Wait, make I send and come for you for free. Just help me. Because this hair, Oyibo people said that they die for this hair. That they look back here. Can't say, okay. Make I bring for you for free. Just do advert for us. She said, me I not try and bring her for her. Said, then you no go fit touch her. Now, yeah, settle down. Back party. My back party, Nana. Who are you? So, Tondia, who are you now? Tell See, I don't get ambassador. The ambassador. The love ambassador. Eh? Okay. Okay. If not that cream, not be say me, I know they like to spoil person business. I be very intelligent woman.